Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube's 3x3 or 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So first you want to find these, the white pieces, and put them together with the correct color. So red, white, down, okay. Now you want these on the top layer. You want down and down. Okay, now you have the white cross with these. You can slow this down if I'm going too fast. So now I am going to find white corners, and I'm going to go over there. So you want it here, flip that up, down. So it'd be like red and blue, white, okay? Red, blue, white, flip up, flip down, there. Same with this. Now you have these facing up. You want to flip that, put that down, flip that, put that down. Okay. Now you see how this matches this. Or see how this is orange and blue. Orange and blue. So blue matches up. If it were orange matching up, so you want to turn it to left or right. So blue to red, and that's the same piece. Up, over, down, over, there, there, there. Now this lines up with red. What? No! Okay, so now I flip that over, so yeah, here, let me show you again. So I turn it over, up, over, down, over, turn the face, then down and over. Here, wait. Now you can kind of see what I'm saying. So now we have these two left. So find that there. This matching up over. And that. Okay, now it's matching up. So now you want to solve the yellow cross. So you want to find these. So you want, if you have that, do this. So face turn, and then up, over, down, over there, and then like that. If you have this, do the same thing. So face, up, over, down, over, another face. Okay, now you have the yellow cross. So see how it, so you want to find out where it lines up. So those two line up, but these two don't. So you want to do up, over, down, over, up, over, over, down. Now you have a yellow cross. If you have the yellow cross already, you're good. Then you turn it. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm confused. Okay, so now you have the full yellow cross. You want to find a matching one. That's green. So this one matches, none of the other ones do. So you want to do over, up, over, up, over, down, over, down. Now these all match up to theirs. It doesn't have to be facing up like that. Now you want to do down, over, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, over, up, over. Then you move the top, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over. Move the top, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over. Then right, and there you go. You solve your Rubik's Cube.